How to fix Fallout 4 black screen issue on Windows. 1. Run Fallout 4 as compatibility mode. Like this. 2. Update graphics card drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Edit the configuration file, Fallout 4 preps.ini app. C:\username \username \documents \mygames \Fallout 4. B maximize window equals 0. B borderless equals 1. B full screen equals 0. Is eyes H equals 1080 is eyes W equals 1920. 4. Lower the graphics settings in the game. 4.1 Enable windowed mode and borderless in Fallout 4 options. 4.2 Fallout 4 options. 5. Disable antivirus software.